Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to add reCAPTCHA in WP Forms. So let's begin. Alright, so to add the reCAPTCHA in the WP form, that is really easy. First, you will go inside the WP form and here you have to click on the settings. So in the settings, you can see the option of the CAPTCHA here. So we have to click on this and now you will be able to see the CAPTCHA options. Okay, so we have HCAPTCHA, we have reCAPTCHA, and we have turn side and we have none. By default in WP form, captcha is basically none. So we don't have any activated captcha here. So we actually want to add the reCAPTCHA on our WP form. So I just simply click on reCAPTCHA. All right. So here you can see this, we have the three different type of the reCAPTCHA here. So we have the checkbox, we have invisible, and we also have the V3 reCAPTCHA. So we're going to use the checkbox. That is really easy. So you can also use the other ones. It totally depends on your choice, but I'm going to use the checkbox. Okay. So here you can see the two options, the side key and the secret key. Okay. So for the side key and secret key, you have to go to the Google first. And here you have to write down reCAPTCHA Google. All right. And you will be able to see the reCAPTCHA at the top of the search. So we have to click on this link. And here you will be able to see the option of V3 admin console. Okay, so we have to click on this. So here we can simply create the reCAPTCHA for our website. Okay, so I'm going to add the level. So that will be verification. And now we have to select the type of the reCAPTCHA. So we're going to go here with the challenge. That is basically V2. So let's click on it. And in the challenge, we have the two options, the invisible reCAPTCHA badge and I'm not a robot checkbox. So we're going to go here with the checkbox. And after this, what we need to do, we have to add the domain name of our website. Okay. So we're going to go back and click on it. And we just simply have to copy the domain name of our website. So let's copy this, go back to the reCAPTCHA and paste the value of our domain name. Okay, so here it doesn't work on this format, so I just have to remove the HTTPS and I have to click on submit. All right, so this is the side key and this is the secret key. Okay, so I have to simply copy the side key and the secret key. So let's copy the side key, put it in the side key here, and in a similar way I have to copy the secret key. So let's copy this and now let's go back and put it in the secret key. All right, so now what we need to do, we just have to save settings. All right, so now our reCAPTCHA has been enabled. So now what I will need to do, I have to go back to the page where I have used the WP form. So let's click on the pages. And here I'll just simply go to the contact page because I have used the WP form on that. So let's click on view and also click on edit with Elementor. All right, so now if I just go to the page, you will be able to see that we are having this form. So now we're going to simply go back to our contact page inside the Elementor editor. Okay, so now if I just click on our form, you will be able to see that we are having WP form here. Okay, all right, so now I need to do one thing. I just simply need to go back into the pages and here I have to go inside the WP form. And now you can see this, I have this contact form. So that is basically the 5740 that we have used. So if I just can show you again, so let's go back. This is 5740. That is the ID of it. Okay, so let's go back and I will just simply edit in this contact form. So let's click on edit. Okay, so here we only have to do one thing. We just have to click on reCAPTCHA here because that would basically enable reCAPTCHA on our form. Okay, so let's click on OK. And now you will be able to see reCAPTCHA enabled. All right, so now I don't have to do anything else. I just simply have to click on save. And I will simply go back to my contact page and refresh the page. Now you'll be able to see the reCAPTCHA on our WP form. Okay, so if I just click on I'm not a robot, you can see this, we are having these images. So let's just test it out. All right, so let's click on next. Let's just verify again. All right, so our reCAPTCHA is perfectly working. All right, so this is how we can add reCAPTCHA in our WP form. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.